Welcome back to our channel for another installation day. So what we have in the shop today is right over there. We have another Land Rover Defender in for exhaust upgrade. So in our previous video, we have already did a Land Rover P400, the 6-cylinder version. And what we have here today is actually the P300, which is the 4-cylinder version. So now let's get back to work and install our best-selling Quicksilver exhaust system for the Land Rover, and later we will of course have a sound test. How does this 4-cylinder Defender sounds with the Quicksilver sound architect system? Now we have completed the installation of our Quicksilver exhaust, and we will have a little bit of walk around tour, briefly talk about this 4-cylinder Defender. The owner actually did quite some modifications on his Defender. As you can see on the outlook, the car is a complete blackout design. Also, the car has already been fitted with a lot of urban parts from the front, then to the side, vents. Also, the car has these urban wheels. Then to the rear, of course, being a Defender, you definitely need to have this urban wheel cover. This is one of the most iconic urban part for the Defender. And right over here, this is our newly installed Quicksilver exhaust system. Later, we'll do a sound check on this. So yeah, basically, these are what the parts that the owner has already installed on his Defender. Alright, so this is how the Defender sounds with our Quicksilver exhaust system. Let us know in the comment sections below, what do you think about this 4-cylinder Defender? How does it sound with our Quicksilver sound architect exhaust system? And also do let us know, what do you think about the car? How does it look with all the urban kit on the car on this 90 series 2-door Defender? Let us know whether you prefer the 90 series, the 110 4-door series, or the 130 4-door extended wheelbase series if you are buying a Defender. If you like our content, remember to like and share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting contents in the future.